Hello everybody, welcome to this week's art project demonstration. Today we're going to be learning how to make a moon phase slider. To create this project, you're going to need three things besides your Ohana guide. You're going to need scissors, a black pen, and a glue stick. You're going to want to start by cutting off all the dotted lines that you see on your Ohana guide. This will result in two different shapes. One will be the slider and the other one will be the sleeve in which the slider goes in. After you cut out that rectangle, you're also going to cut out the little circle in the middle of it. This process is made much easier if you fold the paper in half as done in the video. Once you've completed all of the cutting, what you're going to want to do is grab the edge of the paper that's farther from any of the two lines, flip the paper on its back, and fold that edge until you reach the farther line from it. And then you press it down to make a crease and fold the other edge until you get to the line that's close to it. And then press it down again to make another crease. Then you fold the first edge over like you had it previously and apply glue to its back. Once you have glue applied to the whole length of it, fold the other edge over it and press down on all of it to get it all stuck together properly. Once you finish gluing both sides together, take your slider and trim off the excess paper at the edges. Then insert it into your sleeve to make sure that it moves and glides through smoothly. Then after you do that and after you make sure that it fits in perfectly, get a black pen and color in the phases of the moon in the same order that you see them here. And also try to make sure that when you color in the dark side of the moon that you color it in really hard and really good, so that it's very easy to tell the difference between like the light side and the dark side of the moon. Once you finish coloring in all the moon phases, all you need to do now is take your slider and put it into the sleeve. Finally, you have your completed product. All you need to do to use it now is gently push or pull on either side of the slider and observe how the moon phases change and also the order in which it happens. Thank you so much for watching this week's art video. I hope you had a great time and see you all next week.